Hopefully you will find and feel fresh. In today's lecture, I'm going to show you how can you use the Python. Okay, and Python actually what we do. So I'm going to show you. Be with me. But remember one thing: if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. For that, I will choose a plane and then I want to sketch and make it normal. This time I will draw a center rectangle and okay. Just come to extrude, come to standard views and okay. So sorry, and just either you can do as actually okay. Right now I sketch on this plane and sketch and make it normal. Draw a circle over here, assign the dimension. This time I will choose 30 and just click OK. Now come to extrude and just flip the direction or remove material, and this time I will through all and just click OK. Right now, rather than to make a lot of circles in this direction and in this direction, so it is better to pattern this feature along this direction and along this direction. For that, I will select extrude and just come to pattern. Once you come into pattern, so select atom, and here make sure you're selecting the direction, because right now I'm giving it direction that please pattern yourself in this direction and in this direction. So select atom 1, I will choose this direction. Okay, you can flip the direction and that you want to pattern the feature. Right now I'm selecting this direction, and you can select the entities. Right now what I'm going to 32, sorry, right now I'm giving it 12 is still high, and I'm giving it 9 is better right now. Okay, and you can keep the distance and between the two features. Right now it is 31, so I'm going to increase it a little bit. Right now I'm giving it, sorry, decrease it 40, and click here to select the direction too. I'm selecting this line as a reference, and you can change the direction, and in this direction I'm going to 6. Okay, and you can keep the distance and between these two objects like in this, like this, and just make sure click OK. So within few seconds you have patterned this feature, this whole features in this direction and in this direction. This is just for your concept to build up. Either you have the proper dimensions, so that time you can do it more easier. So this is how you can pattern. This time I have patterned this whole feature. Sometimes you have an extruded feature, so you can do that as well. So hopefully you like this video, and if you're new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.